Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today we are going to continue with chapter real numbers of class 10th exercise sums continuation. Exercise 1.56 sum, very important. If log x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x. Okay, take the given value. Log x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. Take it as equation 1. We need to find x by y plus y by x. Okay, now take equation 1. So in RHS part we can write this is according to the formula log a plus log b can be written as a product log ab. Okay, 1 by 2 log ab in that log xy. So this 1 by 2 can be written as a root, guys. Okay, this product becomes the power according to the logarithms log xy to the power 1 by 2. Now log x plus y by 3 equal to log xy to the power 1 by 2, right? Cancel log on both sides. So we get x plus y by 3 equal to xy to the power 1 by 2. Now this 1 by 2 becomes root, guys. Okay, now cross multiply x plus y equal to 3xy, 3 root xy. X plus y equal to 3 root xy. This is equation 2. Now squaring on both sides, what we get? X plus y whole square equal to, why we need to square? To remove this root value. Okay, so x plus y whole square equal to 3 under root xy whole square. So simplify, we get x square plus y square equal to 7xy. We get 7xy, guys. Now x square plus y square equal to 7xy. So make 7 as subject. So what we get? X square plus y square by xy. Okay, so we can split x square by xy plus y square by xy. So cancel one x here. We get x by y. Cancel one y by x, that equals 7. That is the RHS part. Okay, that is required to prove. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.